Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much after resting for 2 days. Okay, I hope things is going good for you. All right, happy Chinese New Year to the Asians, all the Chinese out there. Thank you so much for sending me a lot of greetings. Thank you so much. All right, so how about the rest of the world and you are still continue your trading, am I right? Okay, so yes, without any delay, let us go into the trading. All right, so first of all, let me share with you a little bit that in Forex Trading Plan, okay, 2022 February the 3rd today, I'm going to pick up some currency pairs as a focus currency pairs to trade. As a full-time trader, you know, we have to focus on certain pairs to trade. We cannot just trade anything out there. Am I right? Okay. So focus is very important. That's why a forex trading plan is very important. Okay. All right. So yes, thank you, Flora. Yes, thank you, Flora. Right, thank you so much. All right, so yes, let me take a look. Wow, there's a lot of greetings. Thank you from all over the place. Haha, okay. All right, so thank you. Hi, Bradley. Happy New Year. And Trinette, ni hao. Hi, how's life in London? Okay, so hi, Lorenzo. Did I pronounce your name correctly? Hi, nice to see you here, right? So, Fab, ni hao, Trinette, and Sawadee krap, Happy New Year, Opa. All right, so very nice, very good to see all of you here. Okay, so yes, Hubert. All right, so let's go into my forex trading plan right now. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Right, so Aussie Cat. Let's take a look at Aussie Cat first. All right, Aussie Cat. Okay, I hope you can hear me clearly. All right, I hope it's not too echo. Okay, all right. So yes, Aussie Cat over here. Okay, let's take a look. First of all, in terms of trading, I need to know where's the trend first. All right. So by looking at this Aussie Cat, okay. So this Aussie Cat over here, first of all, it actually comes into place whereby over here, it actually hits on the support, which is the bull zone here, all right, and it's now retracing upwards. Well, will there be a chance of like retesting back because it meets the resistance here? Correct? There's a resistance over here, okay, this area. So will there be a chance that to short it back? Well, let's take a look. Okay, let me go into a smaller time frame in H4, all right, to take a look and see whether will we have a chance today to actually going back to retest, that means on the way to retest the support again, okay, so that we can actually have a chance to grab some profits, okay, when it's on the way to retest the support. All right, okay, so yes, tentatively by looking at this, the resistance over here has already created yesterday. Okay, so since yesterday it has already started to sell. However, as we can see, there's a support level over here, which is also there's a resistance, which also become the this resistance has already become a resistance over in this area as well. So there may be a good chance that we can sell. Okay, there may be a good chance that we can sell. So I'm going down into a smaller time frame with H1 over here to check the cycle for the trend today, the retesting cycle. Okay, so let's take a look. How am I going to take a selling trade over here? Okay, let's see. There's a support here. It's very obvious that it breaks, and now the support has retraced to become a resistance. So we are expecting there will be a big selling. Okay, there will be a big selling transaction will be coming in. That it because of the losing trades here. All right, so there may be a big selling trades here. So I will be going for a short-term profit, okay, for this. All right, so this is a good one to actually pay attention that we can sell for this. But also have to look out for the support area, where this support area, okay, let me pull down this. The support area from the in this area, okay, so in this area, we only have 10 pips. So it's very small. So right, the space is very small. So this space is so small that if even if I want to scalp for 5 pips, it may not be so easy. Okay, so well, what to do? Right, so either let's wait for two alternatives. One, if it break the resistance up here, let's wait for the next higher resistance that created a bigger space, which is 26 pips, and then you can consider for a scalp here. If not, okay, let's wait for it to break the support level here. Okay, then we will have more space for the next one, for the next support. Okay, to scalp for a 5. All right. So currently, okay, by looking at this over here, it is actually creating a higher low, a higher low, a higher low. That means another higher support, higher support, higher support. Am I right? Okay, so please also take note about all this trend, okay, into consideration. So by looking at this, all right, I will say yesterday it has a big selling, okay, and today when it opens, look at the candle carefully. It has actually hits on the support and being pushed up. So I will say that it will be very safe for us to wait for the situation whereby the price break the support before we sell. When the price break the support in H1, okay, let's say, okay, over here, if it breaks the support, it must have a new resistance below the support, then we sell. Then that will be a better choice, a safer bet. All right. Okay, so Aussie CAD, because today Aussie CAD, by looking at the day, okay, it actually have a big sell down, but it has been it has tested the support, but it doesn't break the support. So it seems like going nowhere. You get what I mean? Okay, so a scalp would be a good one, but I will not put this into my plan. Okay, okay, I have so much of analysis, but I don't want to put this into my plan. Okay, all right, and this is not going to be my list. So yeah, but however, if sellers who want to sell this, you can consider, okay, after it breaks the support. Okay, right. Okay, สวัสดีครับ Sir Khan, correct? ใช่ไหม Okay, so long I never read the Thai name. Okay, Pao Kiwi. Okay, Pao Kiwi. Later I will come to Pao Kiwi. Okay, all right. Okay, Aussie franc over here. Let's take a look. Aussie franc. We are now going back to retest. Like last week or so. All right, we have been talking about it have been hovering around this area, and it's going to retest the support area here. So now, tentatively, we are still looking at the retesting stage. We are still in the retesting. Okay, so please take note about the retesting here. In looking at H4, if retesting the support, that means selling is highly possible. Am I right? Okay, but tentatively, we are actually in the bull. This bull actually pushes up, but it doesn't go very far, whereby the I would say whereby this this I would say that this tentatively looking at this trend is still in the bull. So if we are going to sell, okay, we are going to sell. That means to say, okay, we are actually going to do the anti-trend. But of course, we know that this is a retesting. Okay, this is a retesting. So yep, all right. I would suggest a sell today. Okay, I would suggest a sell today because this selling, the space here is very tight. As we can see, support is only about 8 pips away and 15 pips away is still very tight. And you know, support, when you meet the support in the bull market, it's going to be very strong support. So I might as well give up. Okay. All right. So I'm going to give up Aussie franc for selling today. But buyers, can you buy? I would say it's in the retesting, so might as well don't buy as well. Okay. All right. So Aussie yen. All right. Aussie yen today. Let's take a look. Hi Roger, nice to see you here. 怎么今天都说英文的啊？ Yes, today, yeah, it's all English, huh? Probably I've forgotten to translate. Okay, thank you for the reminder. All right. Okay, so yeah, Aussie yen. Let's take a look. Aussie yen, actually, we are still in the bear market. Okay, the bear running through. As you can see, there is a resistance over here, a very strong resistance, creating a lower high, which is a lower resistance, and now creating another lower resistance over here. So there will be a chance for us to sell. Okay, so let's take a look. Where if we want to sell, let's wait for a resistance to form up first. Okay, there's a resistance created, and still over here the resistance. Can you see the resistance here and here? And now it actually start selling from yesterday, and the fluctuation is still falling below the resistance, which is still good. So by looking at the support here, there's a very strong support here because of the rejections you can see from the market here, and we have about 30 pips to go. Okay, 30 pips. So can we sell Aussie yen? Yes, we can sell Aussie yen. So take a look. When we want to sell Aussie yen, we always sell when it cannot break the resistance. Okay, so where's the resistance level? This is the one. There's one resistance here. Okay, so probably right now you can see there's a support over here, correct? In this area, right? In this area of support. So comparing right now, you have about 10 pips from the support, another 16 pips to the resistance. So what's next? So you want to sell, but the support area is very near. So your profitable area is very small. So I would rather wait for it to test the resistance. If it's not breaking and form up a new resistance, then I will start selling for Aussie yen. Okay, so I will take down Aussie yen. All right, so Aussie yen is one of the currency that I will take note. Okay, all right, let's go for Aussie Kiwi. All right, Aussie Kiwi. Okay, Aussie Kiwi, let's take a look. Aussie Kiwi from the bull all the way. From last week and even the New Year Eve on the Monday, right? So Chinese New Year Eve on the Monday, I actually was reading it and waiting for it to come into this zone. Okay, this zone. This zone is the zone that is there's a very harsh resistance. It's very tough. So I'm waiting for it to come into the bear market if it's not breaking the resistance. Looks like it's coming. Okay, looks like so it's good. Okay, so yep, let's take a look here. All right. Hi, Riano. All right. Thank you for coming in. I hope you enjoy your holiday. Yes, thank you. I have a good rest. Okay. Yes. Okay. So tentatively, by looking at this, right? I would say that it's at the verge. It's now in the transition from the bull to the bear. From the bull to the bear. It's not into the bear market yet, but it's in the transition. Okay, it's the transition. So trading the transition, it may be a bit risky. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of strong. As you can see, higher support going towards the resistance. This is a sign of strength for buying. Am I right? So tentatively, by looking at this, is actually not really that advisable for all of us to sell now. Okay, so it's in the transition. But however, if you want to sell, okay, if you choose to sell for a short-term gain, it's still possible. It's still possible. Like for example, now we still have some right now over here. Let me check. Yeah, we actually hit on the resistance on the last 4 hours, but it's not breaking. So right now it's actually forming a new resistance. Okay, Aussie Kiwi is actually forming a new resistance. Okay, so there may be a chance. There is a chance for us to sell. Probably another 13 pips. Space is also very small. So currently, I will not put this into my list. Okay, because it's still in the transition. All right. Okay, so next Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar. Yes, good retesting. Yes, that's right. Okay, so last few weeks, last week, we actually traded the retesting journey all the way. It hits back into the bull and now retrace back. So it seems like the bear is still working very hard to have a lower high, a lower high, a lower resistance towards the support level. Am I right? Towards the support level, as you can see this way now. You can see there's a rejections here. Can you see a rejection? Okay, these rejections over here. Okay, it seems like the strength for selling. Okay, a strength for selling over here. So, is there any opportunity for a strength to sell? Oh yes, we do have. However, same thing that the strength or the signal to sell over here is actually happens yesterday and now start selling over here. So they're bound to have a support level. Okay, there's a support here. Let me check. Yeah, currently we are on the support. Okay, okay, currently we are on the support. So this support is actually kind of tough. Kind of tough. Okay, so let's see if we are going to sell. Okay, if I will suggest Aussie dollar, we can sell. Okay, we can sell. However, you have to break the support, a new resistance below the support level, then you sell. We have about 24 pips of space. Okay, and yeah, about 24 pips of space, and this is kind of good today. All right, so Aussie dollar, I'm going to put into my list. Okay, to sell when it breaks the support level. Okay, all right. Okay, let's move again. Euro Aussie, Euro Aussie. Right, so Euro Aussie, tentatively by looking at this day chart, we are looking at the bull into the bull zone, higher low, higher low. This higher low, higher low, higher low is actually moving towards the resistance. Well, that is also a direction for a bull. So tentatively, Euro Aussie very straightforward, good for buying, not for selling. So buying, where should you buy? Okay, buying, of course, always buy at the support level. As you can see now, creating higher low, higher low, higher low, that means support. Another higher low is building up now. So now another support. So well, buying is good for you buyers now. Okay, now it's still good. Okay, right, it's still good. Okay, so because I'm a seller, so I will be focusing a lot on selling. All right. Okay, so now let's move again to EURCAD. EURCAD. Well, EURCAD, it hits on the support and now moving upwards onto the into the bull. Okay, so are we really into the bull right now? Yeah, somehow. Okay, let's take a look. Well, there's still chance for selling. Okay, however, the selling in this, I think this is not into the bull market yet. Okay, it's in the transition from the bear to the bull. Okay, from the bear to the bull. All right. So take note about this. Okay. So right now, let's take a look. We if right now is retracing upwards in the transition to become a bull. Can it become a bull market successfully unless it breaks the resistance here and continue to run? Okay, so now it's in the transition, so there may be a chance to sell. Okay, to sell down in the transition from the bear to the bull, from the bear to the bull. Remember that. Okay, so looking at this shrink down, can you see from the bear, from the bear now to the transition to the bull? If it breaks, it will become the bull market. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this, can we sell? Yes, we do have chance to sell. Okay, we do have some chance to sell, right? So right now, then by looking at this, there's a support level. Well, very good support level over here with a good space. So I'm going to put EURCAD into my list to sell. Okay, when it hits on the resistance, okay, even either it hits on the resistance and it is not breaking, it comes back to sell. Yes, you can sell. Alternatively, now EURCAD has a chance to sell. Now, okay, we have a sign that the EURCAD has a sign that it's going to sell already. Okay, however, there are some hovering of the very minor support. Okay, very minor support. And over here, well, okay, I think EURCAD, yes, there will be a good chance to sell. All right, so I'm going to put EURCAD into my list. Okay, and I'm going to take note about this. Okay, EURCAD today. Okay, so let's move again. EUROPOUND. EUROPOUND from the bear already hovering for quite a while over here. Am I right? The other time when we are trading and it breaks into the bull. So right now it's into the bull. And in this situation, this bull, I'm not going to do any trading, whether it's buy or sell, no, do because it has no clear signal where it is going. All right, so I'm not going to trade this euro pound. All right, so euro yen. How about euro yen? Well, euro yen. Let's take a look at euro yen by looking at euro yen right now. Okay, euro yen over here. Looking at this, it seems like creating a resistance and lower resistance and coming here with a retracement from the support over here. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of this support area is very strong. Am I right? So tentatively, it's creating a higher low. A higher low means a higher support. That means to say, now today we will have a chance for going up for a buy. Okay, so going up for a buy, tentatively, I would say that if we are looking out for a resistant point to sell, then tentatively I will be looking at this area. Okay, this area over here. Okay, there will be the support has been break, and now the losses has been accumulated and be holding in the market. The time to sell off their losses, to cut losses, to minimize their losses. Possibility is very high. Okay, so we have a chance to sell for euro yen, but please bear in mind this euro yen to sell. Okay, you may not have a lot of a profit, so please take note of the profit. Okay, that it can only go for short-term profit. Okay, so take note of this. All right, so let's take a look over here. Probably is only about 10 over pips because it's still on the trend. It's still on the trend of building a higher low, higher low, higher support. So tentatively, by looking at this, I would advise that euro yen don't sell. Yes, don't sell euro yen. Okay, because by looking at this, actually in the lower time frame, you can see clearer and in more detail whereby, okay, it's actually moving higher support towards the resistance. It's a sign of breaking the resistance. Okay, so no. Okay, no. All right, so let's move again. Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi is actually breaking up in the bull market. In the bull market, it's trying to break out the bear zone. So tentatively, it's still going for a bear. It's still going for a bull. So currently, it's good for buying, not for selling. Okay, where to buy? Well, you can see the support level. Can you see the support level here? Okay, there's a support level over here. So let's be patient to wait for it to come back and hit on the support, form up a new support, okay, and start to go. Then we enter for a buy. Okay, also not forgetting to look out for the resistance level to see if enough space for you to capture your profit. Okay, so good for buying, not for selling. Right, so euro dollar. Yes, euro dollar, we have surpassed the bull zone and now creating the new support, and this is a false breakout. Well, kind of. Okay, so over here, let's if this is the case, should I go for a selling? Tentatively, I wouldn't go for a selling because I would see it as a bull market right now, but it's in the transition. It is in the transition of the bull market. I'm waiting for it to break the resistance, okay, and it's going for a bull run. So currently it is not breaking, but by looking at this in a smaller time frame of H1, you can still see a lot of higher support moving towards the resistance is still a sign of strength to buy. Okay, so if you want to scalp this, okay, you are going for the anti the strength of the market. I wouldn't want to do that. Okay, I wouldn't want to do that. All right, so tentatively, euro dollar, by looking at this euro dollar, yes, Roger, you're right. Hubert, you are correct. We still have some chance to grab some profit. However, okay, looking at this space, you have about 20 pips to go for euro dollar. However, it's because of the high impact news this in the Asian market this evening. Okay, so I wouldn't want to take any risk for euro dollar. All right. Okay, so just be very tactful today. Okay, on the trading for the euro and pound. Okay. All right. So let's move again to this pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. Yes, Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, yes, we are still in the bull, running very smoothly and strong. Okay. The retracement for the past 2 days, okay, but still set up a new support, a higher new support over here, moving towards the resistance again. By looking at this, you can tell. Can you see? All right, so we are still on the support here, and this is good for buying, not for selling. Pound Aussie, okay, Pound Aussie, good for buying, not for selling. All right. Okay, so Pound CAD. How about Pound CAD? Pound CAD over here. Pound CAD, we are into the bull, all right, into the bull, the retesting field, okay, and now creating a higher low, a higher support over here, this area. So we are moving into the bull. We are moving into the bull very soon. Huh? Okay, so this bull is kind of strong. Okay, let's see. Very likely they may have over here. There's a resistance. It start to retrace downward, but it stopped. It stopped. So tentatively, by looking at this, it is still going on the bull side. So currently, by looking at all this, okay, this is still a strength, a sign of strength for buying. So no for selling, okay, tentatively. All right, no for selling. Pound CAD is still on the verge of buying, okay. All right. So pound franc. Let's take a look at pound franc. Pound franc into the bull market right now. Now one, two. Yep. Okay. Yes. Actually, we are into the bull market right now. Okay. So this bull market, can you see? Okay. Right now. Okay. Let me shift up a bit. Okay. So the bull is actually running now. Okay. So tentatively, good try, but failed to break the support, going up again, creating a higher support. Okay, so moving towards the resistance is a very good chance that it will break the resistance very soon. Okay, so yeah, buying is possible for pound franc, but definitely not for selling. Okay, let's go. All right. Okay, so now pound yen, my favorite, because pound yen, okay, it actually tried and it has gone into the transition and break down into the selling of the bear. However, in the general market right now, it actually now forming a new support, creating a higher low. Is still pushing. Okay, it's still pushing in. It's still pushing in towards the resistance into the bear zone. So currently, by looking at this, okay, by looking at this right now, okay, it's actually another big trend for the. Okay, let's see over here. All right, so right now we are still here, and looking at this, do we have a chance to sell? Okay, I would say that the support, it is actually, you can see from this part here, we are looking at the higher support, higher support, higher support, higher support, tested once and going to the resistance. So then this resistance will have a chance to sell to the support level, which is about 36 pips. We have a 36 pips of, okay, this 36 pips of space, will it be a good space for us to sell? Okay, let's take a look. Okay, as you can see, all these are now moving towards the buy. All these are moving towards the buy. The rejection, rejections, so many rejections, and the bear ended here and come back for the retracement over here. Okay, once it breaks through here, and of course it will become a bull. Am I right? Okay, so this resistance over here, can we sell this pound yen today? All right. Yes, we can if the H4 turn into a resistance, and H1 we have a new resistance, all right, and enough space for the retracement, we can sell. Okay, so pound yen, we still have a chance to sell, but please look carefully, analyze carefully that it must not break the resistance. It must stay within the resistance and form up a new resistance, then we sell. All right. Okay, so let's put this into my list. Okay, I'll put this into my list. Pound yen, but pound yen have to wait for it to form a new resistance below the resistance. All right. Okay, so let's move again. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I am keeping my English very simple so that everyone can understand me. Okay, let me know if you cannot understand me. Okay, I will translate into the Mandarin. All right. So, pound kiwi over here. Kiwi. We are since we have been running for a bull run. Okay, the pound kiwi, as you can see, it has been running for a bull for quite a long while. Okay, so now tentatively by looking at this, all right. Let me pull back and pull a little bit now. Okay, so this bull run today we have a retracement because it's entering into the bear zone. This bear zone whereby is actually okay showed here. Okay, the bear is going to push down a little bit as a retracement. So today, actually, the pound kiwi is having a retracement in the bull market. That means to say it's going to sell down. So if there's a sell down opportunity, but think back, this is a retracement. That means it's an anti-trend trading. Okay, it's an anti-trend trading is also very dangerous. So currently, please be careful and be very, very careful if you want to sell. I will advise not to sell but for a buy. Okay, I will say a buy is highly possible. Okay, once it hits here, all right, let me check. All right, here there's a support level. Okay, the support has actually start off the running. So the buying opportunity has already missed for since the past 1, 2, 3, 4 hours ago. Okay, so yeah, be patient to wait for signal. Okay, for a buy level, the resistance level actually quite good. Okay, you have quite a good space, about 40 over pips. Okay, so yep, you can. All right, but just be careful when you're buying. All right, no selling for pound kiwi definitely. Okay, all right. Okay, so pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. All right, for pound dollar, we are still in the. Are we still in the bull? Yes, we are still in the bull market. Actually, we are still in the bull, retracing downwards. A lot of people may thought that this retracing is become a bear, which is not true. Okay, this is still in the bull market. Okay, so this bull is still forming up a support. Okay, to give you give you a direction of a higher low, which is a higher support, still moving upwards. Okay, so by looking at this right now, do we have a chance to sell? Okay, no, I don't think so. Well, maybe it's a retracement today. Yep, indeed, it is a retracement today. Okay, let's check. Yeah, it's a retracement today. So retracement has already started, and now, oh, unfortunately, we have a new support here. Okay, so 19 pips to 20 pips. Yes, we still have some chance if this is break. Okay, if this support, if pound dollar can break the support with a new resistance below, okay, we still have a chance. We still have a chance for about, sorry, okay, let's see, 18 or 34. Okay, yeah, this may be a retracement, and it hits on support, it will continue the buy. So, but in this retracement, we can still have a chance for a buy. Okay, we still have a chance for a buy for about 34 pips. Okay, provided it breaks the support level here. Okay, if it breaks the support level over here. Okay, so currently, okay, by looking at this, okay, and I would say that we do have some chance. Okay, let me see, confirm again. 34. Okay, yep. All right. Yes, pound dollar. Okay, I'm gonna put pound dollar into my list. But please, pound dollar is a retracement trading, so please be very careful. Okay, be very careful with pound dollar as well. All right. Okay, let me see. Okay, pound dollar, huh? All right. So now next, let's take a look at my favorite dollar can. Is it still in my bear zone now? Okay, it is still not moving into my bear. It is still running towards the north. So tentatively, by looking at this, I will be okay. I'm still waiting. Yes, I'm still waiting. Yep. Okay. By looking at this, we are very near to the resistance now. Okay. So near to the resistance. Very near. But the space is not enough. 28 pips, 30 pips. Okay. I think somehow rather still okay. But please wait for a new resistance to form. Okay. Form up a new resistance before we take action. Okay. All right. It's moving very slow. Well, in this dollar cap, okay, if we want to sell, we do have a chance to sell. Okay, we do have a chance to sell for dollar cap. But tentatively, I'm still waiting for the opportunity that dollar cap will form up a new resistance before I can start selling. So tentatively, not now. Huh? Okay, be patient for dollar cap. Okay, dollar cap. Huh? All right. Okay, dollar cap. All right, so now let's move again. Let's see dollar franc. Okay, take dollar franc. Yes, dollar franc. Dollar franc. Dollar franc now tentatively it tried a few times for hitting on the resistance and it's not breaking. And the support is still very consistent. So looking at this right now, buying is possible. Buying is possible, huh? Okay, so no for selling. Okay, buying is possible for dollar franc. Okay, so no selling for dollar franc. Okay, all right. So how about dollar yen? Okay, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen is actually moving inside. Yeah, but today is a retracement day for dollar yen in moving upwards as a buy. So tentatively, no selling as well. It's very obvious and very straightforward. So yesterday it hits on the resistance already. Yeah, this resistance was drawn last week. So it hits and it comes down. It's on the support. Is there any support here? Okay, so over this side here. Okay, let's check. Right. So there's a support over here, this area. So over here is now retracing upwards. So I would say today I'm going to give dollar yen a miss. Okay, until it meets a new resistance. Okay, it meets the previous resistance or form up a new resistance. Then I will consider the space to trade. If not, stay away. All right. Okay. All right. How about next? Riano for you. Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is actually searching out for this. As we know, Japan now has also So looking into regulations for Bitcoin, all right. So probably is the Bitcoin is on the brighter side right now since the past few days we are looking at it last week. Okay, in January I was saying that we are looking at 48. Am I right? So looking for a new support level to push. Okay, so it's actually went going down to look out for a new support, and now I guess this is the support. Okay, so by looking at this, the push is still very strong. All right. So currently, by looking at this, Bitcoin is it a good time to buy in right now? I would say we still need to wait for a little while. Okay, to buy in for a long term to reach 48. Okay, so tentatively not now. As from personal opinion for Bitcoin. Okay, all right. Okay, so I guess that's about it for today. And let's see what do I have here. All right, I have this Aussie yen, all right, Aussie dollar, EURCAD, pound yen, pound dollar. Okay, so okay, I have all this. All right, so I hope all these currency pair. I understand there are plenty of them waiting for the resistance to form up. So please be patient. Okay, please be patient before we take action in this trading session. Okay, in this London trading session. So I hope guys you like this video. I hope this video will help you. Okay, and remember to click on the like button, subscribe, and ring out the bell. All right. Okay. So every day, hereby wish all the Chinese out there happy Lunar New Year, and all the trader out there great profit and profit from my picks over here. All right. And see you tomorrow again. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you again. See you.